Wind warning. Issued at Monday 7:47 p.m. February 17, 2025. Issued by Environment and Climate Change Canada. Description. Strong winds that may cause damage are expected or occurring. Maximum wind gusts, southwesterly near 100 km per hour. Time span, until late overnight tonight. Remarks. Visibility may be reduced in the combination of flurries and strong winds tonight and Tuesday. Hashtag. Loose objects may be tossed by the wind and cause injury or damage. High winds may result in power outages and fallen tree branches. Wind warnings are issued when there is a significant risk of damaging winds. Please continue to monitor alerts and forecasts issued by Environment Canada. To report severe weather, send an email to PStorm@EC.GC.ca or post reports on X using hashtag PEStorm.